Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today on the bench we have an old Slaughter Hipot tester, model 1259-3.0 if you're following along at home. Basically what a Hipot tester is it's used on main current devices just to check it, make sure you've got it wired up correctly, you know, all your lives and neutrals where they're supposed to be, and you know there's nothing too close together that could cause an arc over event. So basically all you do is you plug your mains powered device that you're testing into here, and then you know we turn it on and push this up to test, and we can adjust our voltage here from, you know, 0 to 3000 volts AC. And it's not enough to kill you, but if you let this get a hold of you, it definitely will let you know. It's I don't know how many people have had will you stop, Shira? Come on, go lay down. How many people have had tie-ins with old Farmer John's electric fence? It's about the same as what you'll get off it. Enough to wake you up and get you going in the morning, but not enough to really hurt you. So first and foremost though, before we plug any type of unknown mains voltage equipment, a little tip on bench safety is we're going to use this dim light bulb here. I don't know if any of you have watched the previous videos on what this box does. Basically, if there's anything in here on the high voltage side that is a dead short, capacitor, crossed wire, this light bulb will limit the current coming into here, preventing anything from blowing up on us. So safety first, and let's get her plugged in and see what she does. See if we can't find the magic smoke genie in here. We got our cord here. Go ahead and plug that in, make sure our box is off. Plug that in there. Let's roll up our voltage on our variac here, and turn it on, and let's hit the button and see what happens. We have our device on, so we're gonna hit this button. Looks good, lights lighting up. Test up to 3000. Yes, looks good now. Let's show you what happens here when we have a fault event. Let me find a plug here that I can plug in. Give me just a second. Alright, so here I just got a length of wire. Knock you all over the place here. So it's just a cord, nothing on the end of it. Just a cord here, nothing on the end of it. So we'll turn our dim light box back on. We'll turn our Hipot back on, and let's short neutral and ground, and let's see what happens. Ooh. See, we get a fault. The light here is not lighting up though, so is it? Nope. So our bulb's not working here. All right, let's go neutral to live. Okay. Reject. That's what that buzzing's meaning. All right, and then let's go neutral to live. and that's going to allow us to pass current. So I may have been wrong on how I thought this worked. So apparently it's not if you have a short live to neutral, it's if you have any type of short to ground, because yeah, we got 3,000 volts going through that. So yeah, so you can't have wires crossed, but it's just checking for shorts to ground. Interesting, interesting. Alright, well, enough dilly-dicking around. Let's go ahead and open this up here and see what we got inside. See if we got some goodies here that we can scavenge out of it, and we'll go from there. Let's see here. We want to take, I guess we'll just take these 6 screws here out. Just some 1/4 inch hex head slotted screws. Let's see how far this gets us. Okay. And it looks like this whole top section will just pop right up. Maybe. Come on. What do we got here? There we go. Wow, not a whole lot in here, guys. Oh wow, we got a nice big chunky full bridge rectifier. Got a step down transformer, and then we have our gauge. Oh wow, look at this. This single turn variac setup here. Our output, our reject light, which we know is blown, and then we got our switch here, and then we got this little board here. Does not look like there is an IC to be found. Here's our little buzzer. We got a buzzer in there, fuse, nice big 25 watt, 25 or 20 watt, 25 ohm ceramic wire wound resistor. Let's see here, mercury melt contact relay. Oh, mercury wetted contact relay. Interesting. And just, you know, a couple of diodes, a couple of capacitors, a couple of resistors, and that is absolutely it here, guys. So really cool stuff in here, just not a whole lot of it. If nothing else, we could use this enclosure for all kinds of uses. Make a new front panel for it. Maybe upgrade our bench power supply or something with it, guys. So yeah, pretty interesting. Nothing to it here. So let me know down in the comments there, guys. Do we want to do a complete teardown and scavenge what we can out of this, or I've got like 3 of these, so we can tear one down for parts and see what we can do with it. Really interested in this variable transformer here. Output 0 to 120 volts at 2 1/4 amps. Input 120. Wow. Superior Electric Company, Bristol, Kentucky. No, that's Connecticut. CT. It's Connecticut. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for this one. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Let me know down there in the comments what we want to do with this. Do we want to scavenge parts? What? May use this as an enclosure for something. So, like I said, like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Get down there in that comment section. Let me know. What shall we do? Love you guys. Be safe out there.